So I got like 80 of you guys.
Hey, Cash, you're in my space.
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep going. See what they got. All right, that's good. Yes, I do. We got 3 species in one pool.
Whoa, it's purple.
Yep. Those are Laker fans.
Mom's
grab it.
cute. Can I touch her?
No, by the back legs.
Are we allowed to touch her?
Oh,
Yep.
the baby one.
There's a mini one. I want that baby. Can I hold one?
Yeah.
I want that big, that tiny one.
Don't drop it,
There's a
okay?
fish. There's a fish. I want the tiny one.
Doesn't have no claws.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, you're going to be cooking from now on, honey.
What?
Okay,
Yep.
go put it back.
You just batter it up and like a little chicken wing, little buffalo wing. Yep. Come on down. She's got the whole fish. Go put it in the aquarium. Look at the aquarium's popping right now. You got all kinds of excitement. Fish and crabs and all kinds of stuff.
She put one in and it got taken off.
Yeah, my whole fish got taken off.
There's some of the fish are ninjas. I think so. Good job. And then when you come up, don't reel the weight this far.
Oh, that
Just
far.
gives
Okay.
you easier to
Sounds
handle it,
perfect. Okay.
There you go. There you go. Go ahead.
I don't hold a tiny one.
Hold the tiny one.
Yeah.
Might have to get the other aquarium out. Also Disney Channel, The Little Rescuers. Hands held high, trust the sky. What do you guys think so far? How many fish have you caught? 1 for you? How many have you caught? 0. All right, we'll get you one next, okay?
I almost got a crab.
Did you?
Yeah, but let go.
Did you grab the big spider crabs over here? The ones that are in the tank right here? Did you grab those? No? All right. You guys are doing a great job, all right? Keep it up. How many fish you caught today? How you caught today?
7.
7?
A lot.
Yeah, we had a lot of luck on the end. Here.
So you already dominated that side, now you're over here?
Yeah, we want a halibut.
All right, go with the sardine. Try a piece of the sardine next, okay?
Okay.
All right. Shake them home. They're going to take 2 crabs home. We measured them. They got to measure it. Ready to go, right?
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Okay, we got to seal it up,
Thank
baby.
you. You guys caught it. That's it, right? Catch. Harvest if they're big enough. You want to eat them.
Yeah.
If they're big enough, you want to eat them.